Today we're going to give you a walkthrough on the Buick Enclave infotainment system. Now, there's a lot of different buttons and settings in here, so we'll try to cover some of the general stuff. Now, with this touchscreen, if your Enclave looks the same, you're going to have a lot of different options, whether that's pairing your phone. If you're an iPhone user or an Android user, you can set that up to have your phone in here so you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, that can be done through your settings, and we'll link that video down below in the description. So a few other cool things, if you swipe over, this is going to give you your radio settings in here, and then if your phone is connected, that would show you your previous calls. Now, if we go back, there is a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can actually use that with this vehicle. That would be a subscription-based thing that you can set up if you want to use Wi-Fi in here. Now, you can also set up different users. So this you can customize for the vehicle. You can go through, create the profile. So if you are going to be the one driving the most, we recommend doing that. Now, we also will have OnStar services, so that would let you call an advisor, turn-by-turn directions, or again, using that Wi-Fi hotspot. So anytime you want to return back from something, you have your back arrow here, or you can always select the home button, and that's going to take you to this screen. So if we go over one more time here, you'll notice the climate control settings. So not only do we have the dual climate control in this Enclave, you can use the physical buttons down below or on screen here. You're also able to change both climates, which is really nice. Now we'll go back one more time. You can also do that to change the rear climate control. You can skip between the front and the rear up above here. You can also sync that to the front system. That's very convenient for the rear passengers. Now, another thing that's very cool is going to be the camera. So you'll notice if you click the camera button, we can turn our guidelines on and off. If you have a trailer, you can set that line up. And then you can also click to see straight down behind you. If you are clipping up a trailer, that is very helpful as well. Now, just a few other things, the My Buick settings, if we accept both of these terms, this is where you'll be able to schedule service. You can actually shop for different apps in here as well, roadside assistance, and your complete owner's manual will also be in here. So once you sign into this profile once, you'll have the ability to schedule service, and it's very convenient when you're on the go. So lastly, we'll click the home button. We're just gonna have our Sirius XM, and then if you did download any apps, those would also pull up into this screen here. So you can see your different settings, how much space you have left. And basically, that is just a quick look. So like we said, we'll show you how to pair Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in the description below if you're looking for that. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out.